Let's make a breakfast hash with these leftover ingredients I found in my fridge. This is a great hearty go-to, so I just start off by taking the potatoes and getting all the skin off of them. I prefer it as is. You can just chop them up as is if you want, but whatever. Then do a quick dance break with the cutest puppy on earth, not biased. And then chopping them up, kind of like just bite-sized pieces. Try and make them as consistent as possible if you can. Then I diced up this onion that I had left over, as well as these bell peppers that were left in the fridge. Again, kind of similar sizing for all of the pieces if you can. Then grabbing some garlic that's on its last legs, and make sure you compost all the pieces that you don't eat. Just give it a whack and it gets all of the skin off super easily. Cut off any of the parts that you don't want to be eating because there's a couple of them in there. And then just kind of like rough dice up the garlic. I don't want to hear anything about my knife skills. I am aware they're not professional level, but they get the job done. Then we're putting everything together and giving it a good mix up so it's all mixed up. Okay, and then we want to add some oil. I'm just using this extra virgin olive oil. I can't talk today, oh my god. And then I'm adding spices. So we got garlic pepper, salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, and mustard powder. I don't know. I use a lot of it because you want it to be flavorful. And then pop it in the air fryer. I put it at 400. It was a lot, so it took a while. I kind of mixed it up a few times. But this is what it was looking like at the end. Got it plated up with an egg, and it was so delicious. Make sure you follow for more.